Step 1. Organize components systematically. Pre-assemble spring washers and washers onto bolts in sequence. Step 2. According to the video, align the base at the same position with the brackets, maintaining hole registration. Secure with pre-assembled bolts and be sure not to tighten them too much. Step 3. Position 4 assembled brackets at marked roof locations, ensuring full contact with door frame upper contours. Step 4. Establish crossbar position for video. Align crossbar holes with bracket holes. Secure with pre-assembled bolts. Then tighten the bolts on the side of the bracket. Step 5. Insert the plugs into the holes at both ends of the two crossbars.